Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a route on the OS Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, and after that you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Create a Route, which is the first option. Select the route type, such as on foot, on bike, more. Then you should tap the map to start plotting a route. So select the next location to start tracking the distance. So here you can see the distance in terms of time and length. So here you can see this chart down below, and you can see how it looks like on the map. You can tap on this save button on the right side, indicated with this pink button. Then you should type in the name of your route, and the technical difficulty should be selected on the slide, and you can select the who can see your route, only me or everyone, and then click on the save route button to save it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.